Well, hello, welcome back, everybody. This is Tom Warhotch with United Way of Steele County, here with Julie Anderson of Transitional Housing. Julie, how are you?
I'm well, thank you so much for having me.
Oh, thanks for being here. So, Julie, we were wondering if you could tell us a little bit more about some of the challenges that your clients face surrounding evictions.
What we're finding is that people who are typically able to make ends meet are suddenly in a position where they're not able to. They have been on the brink of homelessness for times, for many, many days, but what's happened is they're typically able to make ends meet barely. And now the situation in our economy because of COVID-19 has pushed them kind of over the edge. Even in cases where people are not yet being evicted, they're on the brink of becoming evicted. Some of them are facing layoffs, having difficulty finding new jobs, and many of them are facing their own healthcare challenges. All it takes is one bill or one situation that can put them over the edge. Whether it's a layoff or if they have a medical condition and that causes them to miss work, one thing can put them over the edge. Even something as basic as a car repair can put them over the edge because they're living paycheck to paycheck every week. So we're finding that a number of people are calling our office needing help for eviction prevention support. And that's even before the moratorium on evictions has been lifted. Just because there's a moratorium on evicting people in place does not mean that you can go without paying your rent. You still need to make your rent payment. And what we're finding now is we're approaching the end of July and that moratorium is going to be lifted. People are starting to panic a little bit and call our office more frequently, needing help for eviction prevention so they can stay housed. And we know from experience that keeping people in the apartment they're in and continuing to help them with their rent payment is the best, most effective way to help people. It's the least harmful for the family, keeps them in place, keeps them stable, and also for our community. It's very, very hard on communities when people are being evicted, as you know. So continuing to support people who are in need of eviction protection, basically eviction prevention, is very key for our agency.
Well, thank you again for just sharing a little bit of information there. You guys are doing incredible work. We know this is challenging times for everyone, but it's never been more important for people like you in transitional housing to be there to give people that hand up when they need it.
Thank you. It's an honor to do this work.